Mike Hughes here. I'm in Dubai right now with Jasper, and Jasper, you have a dive site to tell us about.
Yeah, so Deep Dive Dubai is the deepest pool in the world. It's almost 200 feet. It's actually 60 meters, which translates to 100 and I have to look here.
88 or whatever.
196 feet.
Oh, 196. We're way off.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's 4 feet off.
It's but okay. Almost 200 feet. And when we decided to build this facility, we looked at the pools that were already present in Europe. In Belgium, there's a 33-meter pool, and in Italy there's a 40-meter pool, and in Poland the second deepest pool is 45 meters. I don't know what that is in feet at the moment, but it's But these are traditional pools in the true sense of the word, like a swimming pool, square white tiles and chlorinated water. But what we decided to build in Dubai is something completely different, because as you can see, it's not just a deep hole in the ground. It's actually themed as an underwater city. So if you imagine a metropolis that were flooded because of some post-apocalyptic events, we don't really know. Everyone's guess is fine here. So we have an environment that divers can explore with much more interest than just having square tiles. And the reason behind the pool was in the region in Dubai and the surrounding Emirates. The original basis for the economy was pearl fishing. So what they were doing was basically finding pearls and manufacturing or kind of pearl trading and all that. And even today, the Emiratis are happy to be engaged in activities that are related to their past. So they are very avid freedivers still, as they do falcon hunting and camel racing and all that. But freediving in the Arabian Gulf is not really exciting. It's murky, the rough conditions, and it's not really deep. So they basically decided to build a training ground for the freedivers. And then they kind of took away from that vantage point, and they decided to build this facility that are also catering for scuba divers. And we have a decompression chamber, we have a restaurant, we have a conference facility. So now it's kind of a hub for dive training and for divers to come and explore.
Cool. They can do actually quite a few things in the pool.
Yeah.
Now, the brochure that you have here, it just shows some of the scenes in it. Maybe they can see.
Yeah.
And then on the back side, and you can see the restaurant. Cool. And so basically, if they want more information, they could go to deepdivedubai.com.
That's our website, yeah.
And there's just a short 15-hour flight to get there.
Depends on where you're flying from, though. But if you're flying from Orlando, it's 15 hours.
Okay, that's true. Yeah. Perfect. And then they can train there and
absolutely
be back by the end of the weekend.
Absolutely, yeah.
Okay, well, thank you very much.
You're welcome.